Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best Cape Sundew is probably one of the most fascinating and effective carnivorous plants you can add to your collection, known for its stunning beauty and its remarkable ability to trap insects using its glistening, sticky tentacles, making it a living marvel that captivates both seasoned botanists and curious beginners alike with its unique predatory adaptations and vibrant appearance. Number 5. BSEAH Grow Light for Indoor Plants. This full-spectrum light provides the perfect combination of yellow and white light. It's designed to support every stage of your plant's life, from germination to flowering and fruiting. Never forget to water your plants again. This lamp features an automatic cycle memory timer, allowing you to set it for 3, 9, or 12 hours. Once set, it will turn on and off at the same time every day. With 10 dimmable modes and 3 switch modes, you can easily customize the light to meet your plant's specific needs. Adjust the intensity and spectrum for germination, blooming, and fruiting throughout the year. Built to last, this lamp features a strong and stable metal gooseneck. The non-slip mat design ensures it stays securely in place, providing reliable support for your plants. Perfect for any indoor garden or potted plants, this lamp is designed for versatility. It comes with a USB connector and has been tested for an impressive lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. What we like? This offers a full spectrum of light to support your plants through all stages of growth. Its automatic timer ensures consistent light cycles without daily adjustments. If you are looking for a versatile and hands-off lighting solution for your indoor garden, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The plant is very healthy and arrived in great condition. The Sundew has beautiful red coloration and is a great addition to my collection. The plant was well packaged and arrived quickly. Number 4. Live Sundew Plant Terrarium, Zero Maintenance Ecosystem. Introducing a unique, self-sustaining terrarium. It brings the beauty of nature right into your home with zero maintenance required. Looking for a unique gift? This living plant terrarium is an amazing surprise for Christmas, birthdays, or any special day for kids and adults. We ensure your new plant arrives safely, even in winter. A complimentary heat pack is included during colder months to prevent any weather damage. Enjoy the charm of natural plants without the upkeep. This terrarium requires no watering or feeding, letting you simply admire its design. Our advanced technology ensures your plant thrives. We provide a 60-day healthy plant guarantee for your peace of mind. This complete set includes the live Drosera spatula plant, a dome, and a special gel that acts as both water and fertilizer for optimal growth. What we like? This provides a beautiful, living plant display with absolutely no upkeep required. It's a complete, self-contained ecosystem that thrives on its own. If you desire the beauty of nature indoors without any of the work, or are searching for a truly unique and surprising gift, this is the perfect option. What people say. The plant is very healthy and arrived in perfect condition. It's a beautiful plant with vibrant colors and interesting carnivorous features. The Sundew is actively trapping insects, demonstrating its effectiveness as a natural pest control. Number 3. Cape Sundew Carnivorous Plant 3-Pot. Get a healthy, adult-sized Cape Sundew, ready to thrive. It comes conveniently potted in a 3-inch container. We include enough New Zealand sphagnum moss to perfectly fill its pot. This ensures optimal growing conditions from the start. Your new plant comes with a detailed care sheet. You'll find all the growing instructions you need to succeed. It is shipped bare root to ensure its safe arrival. This method protects the plant during transit. Bring home this fascinating carnivorous plant today. It's a wonderful addition to any plant collection. What we like? You receive a healthy, mature plant ready to thrive in its new home. It comes with all the necessary moss to get it started. If you're a beginner looking for a straightforward way to start with carnivorous plants and want clear guidance, this is a great entry point. What people say. The plant is very healthy and arrived in good condition. The Sundew has beautiful red coloration and is a great addition to my carnivorous plant collection. Number 2. Carnivorous Purple Pitcher Plant, Bare Root Rhizome. Discover the unique beauty of the purple pitcher plant, also known as Sarracenia purpurea venosa. This fascinating carnivorous plant is ready to add a touch of the exotic to your home. Each plant you receive will be similar in size and condition to the one pictured, which is shown in a 4-inch pot. They are hardened off and eager to thrive. Place it near a sunny window where it can receive ample light. Its adaptability makes it a wonderful addition to indoor gardens. Your plant will be shipped bare root, with its roots gently wrapped in moist long-fibered sphagnum moss. We take care to minimize root disturbance during transit. Bring home this intriguing carnivorous specimen and enjoy its distinctive charm. For more detailed information, please refer to the full description below. What we like. This plant is already accustomed to outdoor conditions and ready for a sunny spot. It ships bare root to minimize transplant shock. If you have a bright windowsill and are looking for a hardy, established carnivorous plant that's ready to grow, this is a solid pick. What people say. The plant arrived in good condition and was well packaged. It's a beautiful and healthy specimen, with vibrant colors and active dew production. The sundew is already showing good growth and its sticky tentacles are effectively catching small insects. Number 1. Drosera carnivorous plant t-shirt. Showcase your love for the fascinating world of carnivorous plants with this unique Drosera graphic tee. It's a perfect gift for plant enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Featuring a detailed graphic of the Cape Sundew, this t-shirt brings a touch of botanical wonder to your wardrobe. It's a conversation starter for anyone who appreciates unusual flora. Looking for a special gift? This t-shirt is an ideal present for friends or family who are passionate about plants, especially the intriguing carnivorous varieties. Crafted for comfort and style, this tee is perfect for everyday wear. Its eye-catching design ensures you'll stand out while staying comfortable. Express your unique interests with this striking t-shirt. It's more than just clothing, it's a statement piece for those who admire the beauty of nature's predators. What we like. This is a stylish t-shirt featuring a unique design. It's perfect for showing off your passion for carnivorous plants. If you're a fan of Cape Sundews or looking for a fun and casual gift for someone who is, this t-shirt is a great choice. What people say. The plant is very healthy and arrived in excellent condition. The sundew is a beautiful plant with vibrant red leaves and sticky tentacles. It's fascinating to watch the sundew trap and digest insects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.